Bihu Bihu lagi se gaat. So see, we are going to make til pitha, and my aunt is making til pitha. So see all the pithas. In Assamese, this is called til pitha, which is a kind of like rice cookie made up from rice, and this is we basically make during our Bihu festival. And Bihu festival is in 14th of April, the main Bihu festival, and today is 12th of April, so we all are preparing all our authentic Assamese dishes. See, I'll show you one more time how she is making this til pitha, and then I'll show you the ingredient. So she has given the rice powder in a big pan. She has sprayed the rice powder first, and then on the top of the layer she has given the mixture of jaggery and the black sesame, and then she has folded it, and then she just rolled it, and that's it. This is how she has made the whole pithas, and I'll show you the ingredients. So this is the rice powder, and I'll show you this mixture. This is what is called jaggery and the black sesame. So I'll tell you how to make the rice powder. What you do is like you take some sticky rice, which we call in Assamese is bora saul. So if you make a til pitha from sticky rice, it will turn a very tasty til pitha. I mean that cookie. And how you make this rice powder? What you do is you take 1 kg of sticky rice, and then you soak it in the water for 1 hour, and then you just after that you strain the rice and you spread the rice in a newspaper and make it partially dry. And after that what you do is like you grind the rice in a mixer grinder and grind it until you won't get a fine powder. You can sieve it to get the fine powder, and then after that you take some a kind like half kg of sesame, half kg of black sesame, and then again you soak that sesame, and after soaking it what you do is like again strain the sesame, and then after that after taking out the sesame, what you do is in a pan you roast that sesame, and then after roasting that sesame you again make it in the grinder you make it the fine powder of that sesame, and then you take 1 kg of jaggery, which we call gur. You take 1 kg of jaggery, and then you just again make it the powder of that jaggery, and then you mix it together like this. Mix it together, and then simply this is 3 ingredients, and then after that you take this rice powder and then just scoop up only one like 2-3 spoon of powder, and then spread it in this big pan, and then after that layer, see, I'll show you for the last time. She's just like spreading that rice powder in the big pan. That mixer, and then now she will fold this. Which we always make it during our Bihu festival. So this is all about making Bihu pitha and all. So I wish my friends a very happy Bihu. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.